Hi guys! In this video I'm going to do an unboxing since I've ordered some vinyls on IMPERICON. This is a package, it's just a plastic bag and inside there is some cardboard box kind of thing and the vinyls are in it, and I also got a free gift. But yeah, let's open this thing. So this is what I see right now. Here is my order list, nothing important, but you can use this to return stuff if something's broken or if you order clothes if they don't fit or anything. But in this case the only thing that might happen is vinyls being broken, so you have to use this form to send those things back. This is a free gift, it was Easter gift. On IMPERICON most of the time they have this code you can enter which will give you a free gift. Sometimes it's posters, sometimes it's stickers. This time it were these socks. I will open them as well. So yeah, these are the socks, just plain white socks, long socks with the IMPERICON logo on them. The next thing is an Easter gift. It's a €10 coupon code, but you have to order for a minimum of €60, and this is from the 1st of April till the 1st of May, so maybe I will use this. And then the IMPERICON sticker bag. Let's open this as well. First sticker is this IMPERICON.com sticker. Oh yeah, next one is something I really like. It's a stick to your gun sticker. The next sticker is Oceano. I saw them recently and they were quite okay actually. I saw them with Cornifex, but I don't think I will use this sticker. And the last one is Parkway Drive. I was never really into Parkway Drive. Then for the most exciting part, a cardboard box, like I said. It's a different one than I usually get because most of them are glued together, and this is just an envelope kind of thing. So let's open this. Exciting! They are just packaged like this. Okay, so the first vinyl that's on top is the new Blessthefall. It's the Heart Feelings vinyl. It's their latest album, and yeah, I started listening to it and it really is an amazing album, and yeah, I just had to buy it on vinyl because lately I'm not really buying any CDs, I'm only buying vinyls because I feel like CDs are not really a thing that I really use. It's just I put the music on my laptop and then on my phone, and then I listen to it like that. And with vinyls I actually use the product, I actually listen to the vinyls, and most of the time there's a code for a digital download of the album. So yeah, I figured I will only buy vinyls from now on. I will open this because it is a special edition color, so just hang on for a minute. I'm gonna grab some scissors. I couldn't find any scissors, so I grabbed a knife. So let's open this beauty. This is the first thing I see, just a pretty picture. And then on the back are the lyrics of all the songs. Pretty layout. The sleeve of the vinyl is just a black sleeve. I really prefer black sleeves over white sleeves because black. But here is the pretty vinyl. It's this baby pink vinyl. And yeah, just has the Heart Feelings logo and just yeah, a plain pink vinyl, but still very pretty. I always try to buy the special edition colors because they're just nicer to look at. Then the second vinyl is the latest brand new album, Science Fiction. It's packaged in a separate plastic sleeve thing, but it's broken already. But that's okay because I always use my own plastic sleeves, but as you can see, this one's broken, which is kind of a bummer because I would have used this one, but yeah. This is what the cover looks like, and on the back it has this pretty gold font, glossy font, and yeah. Let's open this beauty as well. It says on the front that it is a UK domestic pressing. I don't know what that means, but there you go. Yeah, you can feel the letters, so that's nice. It's really soft. And let's open this thing. You can see it first before me. This is what it looks like. Is it pretty? Ooh, yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty. So, science fiction in big and these random things. It's a really sturdy package, album thing. But yeah, it's a double LP, so let's see what's in this. The sleeve of the first vinyl has these 4 pretty pictures in black and white, and it says, "Get born, set sail, better than a doornail." So that's nice, and on the back it's just some info on who wrote what song, yada yada, and this pretty other picture of some mountain things. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty. And then the vinyl itself is just a plain black vinyl, and this woman that is also on the album cover is on it as well. And on the back it's just a white thing over here. The second thing is this poster. I don't know if it's in frame or not, but it's a picture in black and white on top. And then it goes into this solar system thing, and on the bottom is this, I don't know what that is, but yeah. And then on the back of this is a huge picture of the band. Again, I don't know if it's in frame or not, probably not, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Part 2 of this vinyl. Okay, I like this sleeve more. It's this cool picture of this car that is on fire. And on the back another picture of the band. So yeah. Again, plain black vinyl. This time it's a white background with the girl of the album cover. And on the other side just plain green. So yeah, that was Science Fiction by Brand New. Okay, up to the third vinyl. My babes, my faves. Tonight Live, of course. Yeah, I love this album. Do I need to say more? I also have a concert vlog uploaded of the gig I went to of Tonight Live, so I will link that down below in the description box. I wanted to buy the vinyl when they came to Amsterdam, but they didn't have any with them. So I was really disappointed, but then I was happy to see that the special edition ones are on IMPERICON as well, because the shipping of the official Tonight Live site are crazy. So I'm really happy I still got the special edition one. It's Underworld by Tonight Live. Yeah, I love this album. It's really great. Yeah. Just listen to it if you haven't already. This is the back of it. Fun fact, this is the actual handwriting of Jenna, so that's really nice. And now I will open it so you can see how pretty the vinyl is. Well, I think the vinyl is pretty. It looked pretty on the website, so... Okay, this is the sleeve of the vinyl, and it's the lyrics of all the songs in Jenna's handwriting with some notes and stuff, so yeah, it's really nice. I love Jenna's handwriting. I also have this tattoo of her handwriting. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is her handwriting. I think she has really pretty handwriting, and the tattoo is also lyrics from Tonight Alive songs from Limitless, and it says I will be better and inhale, hold, release. But I will make a video about my tattoos in the future. Anyways, the sleeve is really pretty. Yeah, even has some doodle thing over here. But yeah, sorry, I can talk about this hours and hours and hours and hours. But this is the vinyl, and it's really pretty. It's a bit different than I expected, but still very pretty. So it's the gold white swirl edition. On Impericon they also had the gold edition, but yeah, I wanted this one because yeah. I did think that it wouldn't be as yellow as it is right here. I thought it would be a little more goldenish, mustardish, like my hair kind of thing. But it's still very pretty. Yeah, very pretty vinyl. Really happy with this one. We're almost at the last vinyl. We have 2 left. The next one is this neck deep one. The Peace and Panic for mature audience. But yeah, just the album cover. I really like this drawing actually. And this is the back. Really pretty. Let's open this thing. I just took the plastic wrapping off, and I'll show you the inside first again. Ooh. This is what the inside looks like. Ooh, very cool. It's a comic thing. I'll show the vinyl. I can hear the download card in the sleeve thing. So yeah. The sleeve is just the lyrics of each song on the front. And on the back it's just the thank you things and who wrote what and everything. So yeah, it's nice. And then here is the vinyl. Ooh, it's very pretty. Oh my god, it's very pretty. It's very pretty. It's the blue inside clear with clear splatter. And it's really pretty. So it's a clear vinyl with these blue splatter things, but I really like this. I don't know if all the vinyls are splattered like this because it's always different with each vinyl, but I really like this effect. It's really nice. I love clear vinyls. Yeah, it's just the same in the back, but this is the prettiest vinyl of this unboxing, I think, until now. Really happy with this one. Also great album. I was never really into neck deep until this album, so yeah, check it out if you want to. And then the last album is Casey's new album, Where I Go When I'm Sleeping. This is what the front looks like, just the album art, and on the back the songs. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this one. The first thing I see is this booklet with the album art on it on the front and this on the back. They had this as a flag hanging in the background on their show. I went to see them in Dendermonde. I will link my photo album of the pictures I took on that show in the description box, but yeah. And then you can open it and it has the lyrics and a thank you thing. And it looks like this. Again, a black vinyl sleeve. I love this kind of thing, I said that before. And then the pretty vinyl. Ooh, that is a really nice color. It's this pretty turquoise color. I don't have anything like this in my collection yet, so really, really nice. I haven't actually properly listened to the new album yet, but I was obsessed with the first one, and what I heard live was really, really amazing. So again, would definitely recommend this album. So yeah guys, that was it. This was my unboxing. I really hope you liked it. If you want to see more of my vinyl collection, I made a video about that, so I will link that one in the description box below as well. So definitely check out my description box because there are a lot of interesting links, I think. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of these albums, if you listen to them or just how they looked, how pretty the vinyls are. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!